Hello everyone, my name is Sikandar Chauhan and I am a student of CIMAGE Professional College, Patna. I am here to represent my project in front of you all because some days ago, my teacher, Nilesh sir, gave me a project that is who is one of the best faculty of our college, of my college. So I chose voting system project, and in this video I will try to explore all those kind of things that I have implemented in this project. So stay with me till the end of the video. So let me share my screen. Okay, my dear friends, we have come in the console, sorry, on the code, and you can see the code. First of all, I would like to explain all those kind of things which I have implemented over here, all those code I'm talking about. So first, and then we will analyze all those output, but how that is working. Okay, let's start. First, I have implement over here like print for giving message like welcome to online election, and I have taken two variable, nominee 1 and nominee 2. Inside this, user will enter the name, and nominee 1 votes and nominee 1 votes 2, in which I that is variable to store for storing that will count the vote, and at the initially that will be 0. And I have taken a list voter ID in which 10 digits is exist, and that functions length functions is calculating the length of the list. Okay, and here I have implemented a while loop, and if that conditions will true, it will and we already know the functionality of while loop. It will iterate all those code if that will true, right? And all this code I will explain later. First we will see that code. At the initially it will ask from the users from the voter ID, and after analyzing ID it will saying like you are voter, if that will true, if voter will belongs to voter ID. And after once time it will I have used here remove functions. After one time it will remove that digits. As we already know, in our elections one person cannot vote 2 times or more than 1 times, right? That's why I have implemented over here, and I have give some message something like this. And here you can see I have checked some conditions. Here I have implement if, like if a vote will be equal to 1, it will vote nominee 1 votes will be increased by 1, and if that will false, then it will come inside elif, and it will nominee 2 will votes will be increased. And I have take only 2 nominee. So if that will out of 2, then it will flash out the message something like this, like check your pressed key. If all those conditions will be false, it will flash out the message you are not a voter or you have already voted. And let's go forward and try to understand this one. If voter ID will be exceeded from the list, it will calculate it at the last who is the winner, and at the last it will say something like this, like voting sessions is over, let's see who won. If nominee 1 vote will be greater than nominee 2, it will calculate the percentage and it will say like that nominee will has won the elections with that percent, and it will break out the loop and it will come out from the loop and it will flash out the message. And if that conditions will be false here, then that conditions will be true. If that will be true, then it will calculate the percentage and nominee 2 will own the elections with that percent, and it will break the loop. And if both conditions will be false, this one and that one, then it will say like print both. I have written like both have equal number. If that will equal, what will be equal, then it will flash out the message something like this: both have equal number of votes, government will decide who will rule. Okay, let's run it, and we are going to see the result. What will be the output of this voter systems and how it is working. So this is the console, and it will flash out the message like this: enter the name of first person. So my name is Sikandar, so I am going to write like Sikandar, sorry, Sikandar. And I have I'm going to enter a random name like Jack. Okay, it is saying enter your ID. I am going to press 1. Okay, I'm going to vote myself. So I'm going to do in a speed manner. So I am in the last stage of giving vote. So my program has been executed successfully, and let's see what is the output of this one. Here you can see voting systems is over. I have give some formatting promise that will looks good. Let's see who won. Sikandar Chauhan has won the elections with 150%, and all the program has been successfully executed. That is my voting system project, a small project. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and try to exploring. Okay, bye bye.